Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into supposition. 13 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Thesis. Which means a statement or theory that is put forward as a premise to be maintained or proved. Thesis. For example, his central thesis is that psychological life is not part of the material world. Number 2. Conjecture. Which means an opinion or conclusion formed on the basis of incomplete information. Conjecture. For example, conjectures about the newcomer were many and varied. Number 3. Suspicion. Which means a feeling or thought that something is possible, likely, or true. Suspicion. For example, she had a sneaking suspicion that he was laughing at her. Number 4. Assumption. Which means a thing that is accepted as true or as certain to happen, without proof. Assumption. For example, the statistic is only an informed assumption. Number 5. Theory. Which means a supposition or a system of ideas intended to explain something, especially one based on general principles independent of the thing to be explained. Theory. For example, I reckon that confirms my theory. Number 6. Hypothesis. Which means a supposition or proposed explanation made on the basis of limited evidence as a starting point for further investigation. Hypothesis. For example, his steady-state hypothesis of the origin of the universe. Number 7. Guesswork. Which means the process or results of guessing. Guesswork. For example, answering this question will involve you in a certain amount of guesswork. Number 8. Inference. Which means a conclusion reached on the basis of evidence and reasoning. Inference. For example, researchers are entrusted with drawing inferences from the data. Number 9. Notion. Which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, children have different notions about the roles of their parents. Number 10. Guess. Which means an estimate or conclusion formed by guessing. Guess. For example, my guess is that he is a receiver of stolen cars. Number 11. Presumption. Which means An attitude adopted in law or as a matter of policy towards an action or proposal in the absence of acceptable reasons to the contrary. Presumption. For example, this presumption may be easily rebutted. Number 12. Speculation, which means the forming of a theory or conjecture without firm evidence. Fuel. For example, his resignation fueled speculation of an imminent cabinet reshuffle. If you liked the video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe for similar videos.